Hi, welcome to everyone. Today we are going to discuss that if our WhatsApp account is blocked by other user, then how can we find out that it is blocked? Now we have two Android mobile, one is FS user, and other one is Fayaz Techie user. Fayaz Techie user trying to send a message to FS user WhatsApp. Message is going normal. That means they didn't block you. So when they see messages, double tick mark will see on your mobile. This is the first method. Then second method is you can see their online status. Then third method is check their last seen status. But these methods will not understand if someone customize their WhatsApp settings. So we are going to fourth method. Now FS user blocked Fayaz Techie. Call ringing is going, but here is two chance maybe that user offline or blocked. Now we are going to fifth and sixth method. These are very effective trick. Here you can see the profile picture of that person who is suspected to be blocked is normal. Here is trick. You click on that profile picture and now you can see that profile picture disappear. Now the sixth method is create a new group on WhatsApp and then try to add the account of the person who you suspect has been blocked. You can't add that contact number because it means they have blocked you. Check the data through all the 6 methods I mentioned and only then you can be sure that someone has blocked you. If you like this video, please subscribe and share to others, they can benefit it. Thank you, bye.